what do you need to do to play Minecraft together on your local network? May sound obvious, but you need to make sure that both of the devices are connected to the same network. So just check whether you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, that you're in the same network. That's the first thing. Then just launch Minecraft and choose whatever version you want to play in. But important, you need to use the same version. Instead. Okay. Doesn't matter. Just in my case, I'm just going to use the 1.19. Click on play on the first device. This witness bug is quite annoying. Wow, my PC is getting really loud. Then, when you have launched Minecraft, just on the first device, click on single player and create whatever world you want to create. Then with the settings you want to use, and you can also name the world. And then, just use whatever game mode you want to use, set the difficulty, and so on. Then click on create new world. Perfect. And still in the Xrid HPEG. And then when the world is loaded up, just click on Escape, click on Open to LAN, and here you can set the settings for the other players, whatever game mode you want to use, and you can also choose whether they can, whether you want to allow them cheats, and then just when you set the right settings, click on Start LAN World, and then you just need to allow access here. And then we can already see that our local game is hosted. And then I'm just going to show it to you what you need to do on your second device. Then just again on the second device, open Minecraft. In. Perfect. And then again, choose the right version, the same version, because otherwise you won't be able to join the server. And then just wait until Minecraft launches again. And then when on the second device, just click on multiplayer instead of single player, and then it just should show up, because it's already scanning for games on your local network, and then it just in your case should show up here if you're in the same network. In my case it won't, because I only have one device with what I can show you, and then it just should show up here, and then you can click on join server, and that's already it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you have got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below, then I will write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.